Hi, I'm Tyler with Rising Sun Pools. Today I'm going to show you how to use Backwash cleaner to clean your filter sand. So our first step is to turn off the pool equipment. We want to set our system on backwash with nothing open but our skimmer. So we're going to close the main drain. So this is our backwash cleaner. There's 4 treatments in a bottle. It goes directly into the skimmer. So our system's in backwash, our filter cleaner is in, and we're directly running off of the skimmer. We're going to start the system, and our cleaner will run through the sand, cleaning out any debris that has been built up in the filter tank. So as it's backwashing, we're going to want to watch the sight glass and the waste water that comes out. We want to watch our wastewater until all of these suds have disappeared. So we've thoroughly washed our backwash cleaner out of the filter tank. We're going to do a regular rinse, and then we're going to set our equipment back up as we had it to begin with. On the filter, and we're going to open the main drain back. That was the steps to how to clean your filter sand with Backwash cleaner. If you have any questions, you can call us or find us online at risingsunpools.com.